So first, I'm going to be taking my Mercier powder and just setting my brows so that my eyebrow pencil doesn't move. This eyebrow pencil is from Sephora, and it is my chocolate brown eyebrow pencil. I use this on my brows all the time. I'm concealing my brows using the BECCA Cosmetics foundation in the shade Maple. This is the Ultimate Coverage Foundation. I'm setting my lids with translucent powder and going into this first shade from the ORGY palette by Jefree, and I'm using this shade as a transition color. Now I'm going into this darker brown shade and I'm just going to concentrate that on the outer V. I'm also going to blend that into the crease, maybe like half or 3/4 of the way. Taking this next shade, I'm going to apply that onto my lid. I'm just going to blend that into the crease and into the outer V. To line my eyelids, I'm going to take this dark brown shade and I'm actually going to use it as an eyeliner. I couldn't find my eyeliner, so I improvised and I'm using this, and it actually is nice and soft, and because I used a brush that's very small, it made it very precise and it looks really pretty. Taking my BECCA foundation in Maple, the one that I used earlier, I'm just using that to clean up that line. I'm using the Aqua moisturizer from Belif, and then I'm using the Milk Hydration Primer. I'm going into my foundation right after this. Is the BECCA Mint Ultimate Coverage Foundation in the shade Maple. Now I'm taking my NARS Caramel Creamy Radiant Concealer and I'm applying that where I want to highlight. I'm also going to go in with my other concealer. I'll have it listed below, and I'm using that as well. I like for them to balance each other out. I also applied that to my neck because I felt like the foundation was a little bit darker than my chest, so I wanted to just lighten up my neck a little bit. And I'm just taking a beauty sponge from Walmart and blending everything out. I'm using my foundation stick from BECCA Cosmetics in NW40, and I'm going to use this to bronze/contour. I'm setting all over my face with my Makeup Forever powder in the shade Y445. I'm also going in with my translucent powder just to reinforce everything. Now I'm going into my Mercier translucent powder, there we go. And I'm just going to apply this everywhere that I applied highlight. I'm using my FENTY bronzer in Coco, my favorite bronzer of all time. It's perfect for my skin tone and it's fabulous. I'm going back in and just cleaning up that translucent powder that I applied earlier. And I'm applying my burnt pepper blush from MAC Cosmetics. And then I'm going to apply my highlight, which is from BECCA Cosmetics, and that is the chocolate Geode. It's absolutely gorgeous. Today I'm actually using Stubborn Brown. This is a eye pencil from MAC. I normally use black, but I didn't want black for this look. I felt like it would have been a little too harsh, so this is a dark brown shade. Using the transition shade, I'm just going to smudge out that eyeliner. I actually overdrew it just for this purpose. So I want my face really sculpted, so I'm going to set underneath or bake underneath my contour. Now I'm going in with my mascara and just applying it to my bottom lash line and to help set my lashes at the top. So today I'm going to be using ColourPop's BFF 3 and 4. I always use it in most of my videos. These are two of my favorite lip liners, and this is a liquid lipstick from MAC. I will list the shade below. When I finished my makeup, the look was okay. I don't normally go for a color like this, but I wanted to go and do something outside my comfort zone. But now I'm just wiping away the powder and making sure that the lips are popping. Going back in with my liquid lipstick from FENTY, I'm just going to brighten up the look a little bit.